What's going on, guys? Welcome back, my friends. Thank you for stopping by, viewing my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about coil that I have built for this BBMPulser E10. As you have probably seen prior videos, I showed you this very simple 10 component pulser that right now is set to work on 220 volt AC, and I'm gonna be testing the power output from this coil, and just wanted to show you how it's made and give you a couple ideas how you can make it your own. So you're gonna need a pipe, as I said, and you're gonna need a coil. Once you have a coil, you'll need a piece of printed circuit board, cloth board, and you scratch it on the other side and you glue the coil to it. Once you glue the coil to it, you're gonna make a case. This is the case for it that I made with steel. And once I made the steel case and place it over, then I use the heat glue, hot glue, to silicone all the sides so that when I pour the epoxy, it wouldn't pour out from the sides. And waited for a little bit and pulled it all out, and here we go. This is the coil. This printed circuit board one is just a sec, is less than millimeter thick, so the coil is less than millimeter away from the surface. It's kind of how it looks. Let me show you when you hold it. Alright guys, let's take a measurements. So my Tesla meter set to pick up highest value, and I've noticed that I've been playing with this coil, and highest value is like at this point right here. So that's what I'm gonna test it. Alright, let's power it up. Okay, let's give it a test. It works pretty quietly. 0.583. This is the most I can get from this coil. And in this scenario I can increase the power right here. I mean, increase the speed, but this will decrease the power. In this scenario, my capacitor here is charged to 316 volt, and that's the power output I was able to get, 0.587, 0.583, the most out of this coil. So almost 0.6 Tesla, guys. SOTA Instrument MP6 and MP5 models, they put out 0.6 Tesla. So just wanted to show you the coil and the power output from this coil, and how simple it is to make it. You just need a case and the printed circuit board or something else, not sure what, possibly a thin wood or something you can use in the bottom. Anyway, if you, the Flexit 90 resin is not something that's cheap, and I thought about cheap options and so far couldn't come up with anything cheap. Seems like it needs to be like 2-part, so that when you mix it, it sets pretty quick, hopefully within the 24 hours, because I used liquid nail and it was setting forever. It took me forever, 3 days, and I couldn't get it to dry. So in this one it took me 15 minutes to dry out, and it's good to go. Alright guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.